DJI Pocket lineup is about to get a serious upgrade, and this time the proof is official. Fresh FCC filings have confirmed that the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro is real and it's officially cleared to launch in the United States. This is not another rumor or leaked matter. FCC approvals usually appear right before a product goes public, and they often reveal more than brand's intent. What makes this leak especially important is that the DJI is not just releasing one pocket camera, they are launching two. The standard Pocket 4 already has its own FCC registration, but a new model has now appeared under the name Osmo Pocket 4 Pre. And yes, the P clearly stands for Pro. The DJI has done this many times before. Separate FCC IDs usually means separate hardware, not just a renamed version or a minor refresh, and that's actually what we are seeing here. According to the documents, the Pocket 4 Pro carries the model number PP041 with FCC ID 2GRP041. Officially certified on December 15, 2025 under DJI's Osmo Pocket Technology Division. That date matters because it came after the standard Pocket 4 filing, confirming this was a plan to cheer launch from the start. So what actually makes the Pro model different? Leaks over the past several months point to a dual lens camera system, something we have never seen in an Osmo Pocket before. The module is rumored to be similar to DJI's Air 3S drone, which suggests a better dynamic range, more focal flexibility, and far more creative control than a single lens setup. That alone pushes the Pocket 4 Pro into a completely different category: less casual blogging, more serious content creation. The FCC paperwork also reveals smaller but important details. Regulatory information can be accessed directly from the built-in display, confirming a familiar pocket-style interface but redefined for a higher-end device. Battery specs are listed to a 7.4 volt 1545 mAh battery, which hints at higher performance demands compared to the standard model. More power, more processing, and likely more advanced stabilization. Safety testing shows that even with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth running simultaneously, the Pocket 4 Pro stays well within FCC limits. Interestingly, 5 GHz Wi-Fi shows higher performance level than 2.4, suggesting faster wireless transfer without compromising safety. Now let's talk timing. The Pocket 4 Pro received its final FCC grant on December 20, 2025. DJI typically has a 180-day window, meaning internal photos and manuals stay hidden until around June 2026, but DJI doesn't need to wait that long to launch. With approval already locked in, the Pocket 4 Pro can go on sale anytime. DJI is ready. As for price, the Pro branding strongly suggests a premium tier, likely positions to have above the standard Pocket 4 with upgraded stabilization, improved low light performance, and advanced shooting modes aimed at serious creators. In the end, this FCC leak does more than confirm a name, it confirms intent. DJI is not done pushing the Osmo Pocket forward. The Pocket 4 Pro is shaping up to be a true step above, built for creators who want professional level results in a camera that still fits in their pocket. Now the only real question is, when will DJI flip the switch?